Good morning, my dears. Welcome back to our video class. So, in the previous 2 days, we learned the first two chapters, and today we are going to learn the third chapter of GK, and the name of the third chapter is Capitals, Currencies, and Languages. Capital of the country and their currencies and their languages. So, look at the first question. Write answers of the following questions in the blanks. So we have to find out the answers of these questions, and after that write down these answers in this blank. Okay. So our first question, it is, which country's capital is Abu Dhabi and the currency is dirham? Okay, so the first question, which country's capital is Abu Dhabi and the currency is dirham? And the answer, do you know the answer? Abu Dhabi and the currency dirham. Yes, and the answer is UAE. UAE. What's the full form of UAE? United Arab Emirates. Okay, United Arab Emirates is the full form of UAE. So here the answer is UAE. And next, B section, the official language of this country. What is the official language of UAE? What is the official language of UAE? Language Arabic. What is the official language? Arabic. So the official language of UAE is Arabic. And the second question, name the country whose capital is Paris and the currency is Euro. Name the country whose capital is Paris. One country's capital is Paris and their currency is Euro. Name that country. What's the name of that country? France. Okay, so the country name is France and the capital is Paris and the currency is Euro. Then B section, the official language of this country. So the country is France, and what is the official language of this country? The official language of France is French. What's the official language? French. So French is the official language of France. Then the third question, the capital of which country is Moscow and the currency is rubles? The capital of which country? One of the country's capital is Moscow and the currency is rubles. So what is the name of that country? Do you know the country? Yes, the country is Russia. What's the name of the country? Russia. Russia. And Russia's capital is Moscow and the currency is rubles. Then the official language of this country. The country is Russia. Then what is the official language of this country? It is too easy, too simple. The official language is Russia. The official language of Russia is Russian. Okay, so the official language of Russia is Russian. Then which country's capital is Brasilia and the currency is real? So name the country whose capital is Brasilia and the currency is real. And the answer is Brazil. Okay, so the fourth question's answer it is Brazil. Brazil. Then the official language of this country. So we know that the country is Brazil. Then what is the official language of this country, Brazil? The official language is Portuguese. What is the official language? Portuguese. Portuguese is the official language of Brazil. Okay. So the next question, the fifth one, name the country whose capital is Jakarta and currency is rupiah. Our currency it is rupee, and here name the country whose capital is Jakarta. The country's capital is Jakarta and the currency is rupiah. which is the country. And the country is, which is the country? The country is Indonesia. What's the name of the country? Indonesia. Okay. Indonesia. The country is Indonesia. And then listen. The official language of this country. Country's name is Indonesia. Then what is the official language of this country? What is the official language? Indonesia. Indonesian is the official language of this country. Indonesian. Indonesian is the official language of this country. And the sixth question, which country's capital is Beijing and the currency is yuan? Name the country whose capital is Beijing and currency is yuan. And the name of the country is China. What's the name of the country? China. And the official language of this country. What is the official language of this country? Chinese? No. Mandarin is the official language. Okay. So, Mandarin is the official language of this country. Mandarin. Okay, Mandarin is the official language of China. So, the seventh question, it is name the country whose capital is Seoul and the currency is won. So, which country's capital is Seoul and currency is won? Do you know the country? The country is South Korea. What's the name of the country? South Korea. South Korea's capital is Seoul and its currency is won. Okay. And the next one, the official language of this country. This country means here South Korea. So, which is the official language of South Korea? South Korea's official language is known as Korean. What is the official language? Korean. Okay. So, the next one, which country's capital is Bangkok and the currency is Baht? So, name the country whose capital is Bangkok and the currency is Baht. Do you know which country's capital is Bangkok and currency is Baht? The country is Thailand. Okay, Thailand is the country. So, write down there Thailand. Thailand is the country whose capital is Bangkok and currency is Baht. Then the official language of this country, which is the official language of Thailand. Official language of Thailand is called Thai. What is the official language? Thai is the official language of Thailand. Thai is otherwise known as Siamese. Okay. Siamese is the another name of Thai. Okay. Once again, listen from the first question. First question is, which country's capital is Abu Dhabi and currency is dirham? UAE. UAE means United Arab Emirates. UAE's capital is Abu Dhabi and its currency is dirham. And the second one, the official language of this country. What is the official language of UAE? Official language of UAE is Arabic. Next question, name the country whose capital is Paris and currency is Euro. Answer is France. France's capital is Paris and its currency is Euro. The official language of this country. What is the official language of France? Official language of France is called French. And the next question, the capital of which country is Moscow and the currency is ruble? So the answer is Russia. Russia's capital is Moscow and Russia's currency is rubles. Then the official language of this country is, what is the official language of Russia? Russia's official language is called Russian. Then which country's capital is Brasilia and the currency is real? So the answer is Brazil. Brazil's capital is Brasilia and its currency is real. Then what is the official language of Brazil? Official language of Brazil is Portuguese. Okay. Then name the country whose capital is Jakarta and the currency is rupiah. Which country's capital is Jakarta? And the answer is Indonesia. Indonesia's capital is Jakarta and Indonesia's currency is rupiah. And official language of Indonesia is Indonesian. Then the next question, which country's capital is Beijing and the currency is yuan? Answer is China. China's capital is Beijing and China's currency is yuan. Then the official language of this country. What is the official language of this country? And the official language is Mandarin is the official language of China. And the next question, name the country whose capital is Seoul and the currency is won. And the answer is South Korea. So the capital of South Korea's capital is Seoul and South Korea's currency is won. And here the official language of South Korea, it is Korean. And the next question is the last question. Which country's capital is Bangkok and the currency is baht? And here the country is Thailand. Thailand's capital is Bangkok and its currency is baht. And the last question, official language of this country, that means official language of Thailand, it is Thai. Thai is otherwise called Siamese. Okay. Did you understand? So, today we learned 8 questions and answers. 8 questions, but inside each question 2 questions are there, and total 16 questions. We learned 16 questions, that is countries, capital and their languages, capital, currencies and their languages. So, by heart this one. If you have edited out, then ask me. So, we will continue the class tomorrow. Till then, take care. Thank you.